आमच्या नर्सिंग कॉलेजात जे कॅन्टीन स्टार्ट केलेलं. माझे नाव प्रणीत पाटील आणि हांव नर्सिंग स्टुडंट. सो आता जे कॅन्टीन स्टार्ट केलेलें आसा सोडेक्सो ते बरे खातीर स्टार्ट केलेलें आसा. आनी हांगासर जे आमकां फुडाचे ते प्रॉब्लम आसले फ्रॉम लास्ट केन्नाचे आमी कॉलेज नर्सिंग स्टार्ट जाला. सो ते आतां बरेपण हांगा सॉल्व जाल्लेले आसा. आनी हांव आतां थँक करपाक सोदता हेल्थ मिनिस्टराक. सो तेणी आतां आमकां हांगा सोडेक्सो कॅन्टीन स्टार्ट केलेलें आसा आनी हेल्दी फूड आमकां प्रोवायड करतात.
I am principal of the Nursing Institute, Mrs. Carol Narona, and we are very delighted with the services which have been offered by Sodexo. And I think the real test is the response from all the students. So everyone is happy with the food at the rate at which it has been supplied and the kind of services that have been provided by Sodexo. Before the start of Sodexo services, the canteen was managed by the students, and with the staff that are supplied or have been paid by the government of Goa. As of now, that would not be there anymore. So all the issues of students having to contribute, issues of students having to be involved with the mess will be stopped completely. So it's a big relief for everybody actually. Healthy food is always important. It's not only healthy in terms of the kind of quality of food, in terms of how clean it is, but also in terms of the fat content, nutritional content, all that is seen too. So it's been a big help and it will continue to be a big help.
ते मुख्यमंत्री श्री मनोहर पर्रीकर यांच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमी सोडेक्सो कंपनी कडेन टायअप करून आयज आमचें एक स्वप्न आशिल्लें आयज ते साकार जावपाच्या मार्गार म्हणजे आयज गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आनी इंटरीम किचन करून आयज तुमी पळयता की पेशंटाक योग्य तरेचें न्यूट्रिशन गावता. परत परत आमी सांगत आयिल्लें आसा की न्यूट्रिशन हे आमच्या पेशंटाक को रिलेटेड आसता इन टर्म्स ऑफ रिकवरी. आनी जाय ते पेशंटाक जाय ते दुयेंस जाता त्या तरेचें जेवण तांकां न्यूट्रिशन दिलें वयता. आनी कितें जालें की सगळे कडेन आमचे जे संस्था जी आशिल्ली एज्युकेशन इन्स्टिट्यूशन जी आशिल्ल्यो खंयच आमी ह्या तरेची सेवा मेस फेसिलिटीज आमचे योग्य नाशिल्ले म्हणून भुरगे गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजाचे भायर वचून ते जेवताले ते ल्हान ल्हान अनहायजिनीक कंडिशनान तेंचे हे जाताले. म्हणून आयज हांगा नर्सिंग इन्स्टिट्यूट जे खंय चडांत चड चलयो हांगा शिकता त्याच बरोबर डीन डेंटल कॉलेज म्हणटा की थंय बी मॅक्झिमम गर्ल्स स्टुडंट्स आहा. हेंचे खातीर एक इंटरनॅशनल कंपनी सोडेक्सो कडेन आमी टायअप करून एक लाँग टर्म असोसिएशन करून आयज आमकां याद येता की मनोहर पर्रीकर आमचे मुख्यमंत्री जे आशिल्ले तेणी आमकां हे सँक्शन करून दिल्लें. आनी आयजचे मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंताच्या सहकार्यान आमी ह्यो सगळ्यो गोश्टी फुडें व्हरता. आनी सगळ्या स्टुडंट्साक आतां स्टुडंट्साचे बी तुमी म्हाका दिसता प्रेसच्या माध्यमांतल्यान तुमी स्वता तेंचे बायट्स घेवन तेंचे अनुभव कितें आहा कित्याक तांकां जे त्रास जाला हांगा ती फेसिलिटी तांकां दिवपाचो आमी प्रयत्न केल्लो आसा. आनी हेच न्हू, आयज प्रत्येक कडेन जे बेडेड हॉस्पिटल आहा आमचो प्रयत्न आसतले की ह्या एजन्सीच्या माध्यमांतल्यान सावथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल आसूं, नॉर्थ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल आसूं, काय जे खंय पेशंटाची संख्या आहा ते पेशंटाक योग्य तरेचें न्युट्रिशन दिवपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. आनी कितें आहा, आफ्टर ऑल दीज आर स्टुडंट्स, ह्या स्टुडंट्साक त्या तरेचें न्युट्रिशन गावंक जाय. स्टुडंट्स हांगाच्यान खंय वयतले हो एक व्हडलो प्रश्न आशिल्लो. आनी मेन म्हणजे कितें आहा की ह्याच तरेन आमकां फुडें वचूंक जाय. IDCच्या बाबतींत बी हांवें ऑलरेडी उल्लेख केल्लो आसा की आमी इंडस्ट्रियल कॅन्टिन्स एक वेगळ्या तरेचो कॉन्सेप्ट घेवन आमी येतले. थंय 4-5 हजारा वयर एम्प्लॉईज आसतात, त्याच तरेन तांकां एक वेगळ्या तरेची फेसिलिटी ह्याच एजन्सीच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमचो प्रयत्न आसता ते वाडोवपाक. पूण आयज खुशी दिसता, पूण याद आमची मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकराची येता, कारण तेणी हें सगळें आमकां सँक्शन करून जे दिल्ले आयज ते एक करून एक इन्स्टिट्युशनान ते फेसिलिटी पावता. आनी आमच्या भुरग्यांक, आमच्या स्टुडंट्साक म्हाका दिसता तेंचो अधिकार तो. आमी कितें हें करिना, इनोवेशन करिना, पूण म्हाका एक जाय आसलें की एक इंटरनॅशनल स्टँडर्डाची एक एजन्सी जे खंय बरे इन्स्टिट्युशनाक ते सप्लाय करता न्युट्रिशन, ते आमच्या स्टुडंट्साक बी त्या तरेची फेसिलिटी गावची. इतकेंच आनी कांय ना. हे all large companies have got canteen facility, but there are large amount of people who are unable to get hygienic food. So I am doing an assessment. We will do, I told you my war room is going to start by this week. Once they come, we'll do an assessment and we'll have an agency like this. An industrial canteen concept with subsidized food for the first 1 year will be started in the state of Goa. First I'll take on a pilot basis Pilen, I will take Verna, and I will take Kunde, where there is a large amount of established industrial estates, and I will also talk to them, because the other day when talking to the Goa Chamber also it was told that we need something like Sodexo to even come into the industrial estate. So whatever decision which we are taking, we'll take the Chamber, we'll take the Goa State Industrial Association into confidence and go step by step. But today we are here, which is, for me this was very important. Nursing hostel was very important because these girls had no place to go. The students had nowhere to go. You know what was happening when the work was going on here. Now you see, I was actually startled when I saw the fence that is being put up. It looks like as though I've come into Alcatraz or something like that. So basically, problem what happened is here, when the highway and all was being built, there was no fence. All sorts of characters used to enter. I used to get complaints from the parents. So nutrition was something. Food, their mess has to be. After all, they're paying for it. This is not coming free. They are paying for it. But same time, good company should be there, where like Sodexo, and I am happy that till today the reviews that we are giving, we are taking reviews, and Sodexo is doing a fantastic job as far as GMC is concerned. And we'll expand this. Even the new super specialty hospital, that will be Sodexo only. Samir will give example. He had a feedback. He gave us a feedback about something that he wanted, which was needed to be changed. So we immediately acted on it. So we are open to feedback. There is nothing to be taken negatively. If there is a feedback that is coming, we will immediately change. About 6 months, because I told you that we will look at a model to run the hospital, because we must also understand that Goa is a small state. Our Dean is there. I talked to Dean also that we need to sit down, apply our minds and see what are the areas that we can run on our own, and in case we need to get help from out, what is the way forward. Because it has to be a model, it has to be a balanced model, because it's a huge hospital. Borobar nahi, a huge hospital, say, suppose he is now there, he is already overloaded all the time because multitasking man. So basically what happens is that we have to see, as of today I must share with you that there is tremendous load on GMC. But same time, the new hospital which comes has to be a symbol of excellence. It has to be a center of excellence, and center of excellence will come only if you come with an innovative model to run it. Just by putting a shell is not my dream. My dream is to see that this government, led by Dr. Pramod Sawant, comes up with a state-of-art facility which will be unique. And by the way, this is the largest hospital under PMSSY in the country. Larger than the one that was inaugurated by Honorable Prime Minister in Gujarat. So we need to go and see. So we will study 4-5 models. I think our director DHS, Dr. Rajnan Desai, Dr. Bandekar, and 3-4 other people, Ajit, all of us, we have to go and see how other hospitals are run. Of course, gastro is pending. My file is pending. Gastro facilities are required. Harish Peshwe has offered to join as a consultant. That also is pending. Apart from that, yeah, there are some specialties that have to be included for sure. Cancer, already money is sanctioned. I was just following up today with secretary. Money first installment was to be given to HSCC. So HSCC will start any moment the work on the tertiary cancer center. And also I am telling you, Portugal, there is this foundation which is supposed to be one in Portugal. There is one of the world best research foundations for cancer research. So I want to tie up with Tata Memorial for technical assistance and guidance and take help from these people also, so that we can have visiting people coming on a time-to-time regular basis, so that the type of complicated cases they can help guide and train our doctors. So I am in correspondence with them. Once I come to some conclusion, I will take it forward. And medical tourism is something that we are going to start, starting with the Mandre Hospital, Pedne Hospital that is there. You know, medical tourism is a big concept with rehab centers and other things, so it has to be a comprehensive setup. Everything, large things, but as long as our Goan patients are treated and not 1 rupee is charged to them, that's fine. That's the model that we are looking at.
सो आनी हांव थर्ड इयर BSc नर्सींग शिकता. जेन्नासून हें कॅन्टीन स्टार्ट केलां आमकां बरें जेवण मेळटा, हेल्दी फूड एंड द क्वॉलिटी इज वेरी गुड. I would like to thank the health minister for starting this new canteen in our college. Many of our problems are solved. We don't have to run the mess anymore and manage everything. So it's a good initiative.